Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today the market was a little bit consolidating. I'm really sorry for not uploading the video yesterday because I was out with some work and that's why I could not. But anyways, market consolidated over here for today. What can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple, right? Now, if you see, I also have positions over here. I've shorted the 48,000 put at 427 rupees, which has closed at 250 rupees, basically same as yesterday's closing price because market basically consolidated, so the put did not really give away a lot of value today, right? Anyways, so I shorted this put over here in this candle over here. If I could show you the exact candle, basically above this candle's high I took a short position in that put, and yes, from there market did continue to move up, right? Now even if you open with a small gap up tomorrow, anywhere 40 near 4800 or above 4800, this put will decay a lot, right? And very fast, which will be very fine. So that's why I decided to take my put short position even today also overnight. Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple, right? Now market has consolidated over here for some time, which is a good thing. Market is not really negative as of now. What the best thing would be if we open with a little bit of gap up tomorrow, right? Anywhere near 48,200 or near 48,250, all these are 300. Then once we see a little bit of pullback till 48,150 to 120 levels, from here, once we see positive price action, we'll go ahead and take a long position. And from there, we can keep a target of easily 48,500 on the upside. That can be our very easy target. Best thing would be to take put short positions, or if the if you're getting a setup in the second half of the day, then you can think about buying call options. But if you are getting it in the first half, it's best to take put short positions and not basically call long positions, right? On the downside, if we 48,000 is going to be very important. Below 48,000, we'll see a little bit of sell off till 47,800, right? 47,800 to 750 to 700. Basically, in this 100 point range, we could see a little bit of sell off. Then the market may take support and continue to move up. So tomorrow below 48,000, that is where you guys can go ahead and take a short position. As soon as we see a negative price action below 48,000, your first target then becomes 48,820, basically this support over here, and then your second target becomes 47,700 on the downside. These should be your two targets. Please do not keep any sort of a big target until unless we know that the market has sort of reversed over here, right? Because maybe this might just be a small pullback and then the market again continues to move up, right? But that would be best if we open with a gap down near 48,000 and then go down, right? So below 48,000, once we see negative price action, you guys can then go ahead and take a short position over there. If you open with a very big gap up above 48,003, let's say near 48,400 and all these levels, then we'll wait for a little bit of pullback again till 48,200 at least. Please do not take bullish positions at higher levels. Maybe the market might not sustain those higher levels, because again, if we open with a gap up, Nifty will also open with a gap up, right? Most probably. So Nifty doesn't really has a lot of momentum left, right? So the best thing would be to buy in dips and not really buy very aggressively at higher levels, right? So I hope you guys understood that. In Nifty, now talking about Nifty also, if you see, is a little bit negative, was a little bit more negative today as compared to Bank Nifty, and that's why I said focus more on Bank Nifty this week if you want to buy, and that's what I did also, right? If I would have sold some sort of a put equivalent to this in Nifty, then I would have probably hit my stop loss today when Nifty came down, right? But I've sold my put in Bank Nifty, and that's why it's still intact over here, and I still have a good profit running. I still have a good profit cushion, right? And even if the market goes tomorrow comes against me, no problem. I'll exit my put, maybe in a very small profit, not a big deal at all. But if I would have taken that short position in Nifty, in a Nifty put, then I probably would have had to sacrifice a lot of safety for that. So anyways, talking about Nifty, 22,970 to 980 becomes a very important support, right? Below this level, if Nifty again comes to test this level, chances are Nifty will break this level, and then we will see a little bit of sell off till 21,920. Please do not keep big targets, as I said again, because maybe Nifty might come down till here, take support, and then again continue to move up, right? That can also happen. So as of now, please do not keep big targets on the downside. Rather, the best thing would be to keep big targets on the upside. Maybe what might happen in Nifty is that Nifty breaks this support, comes and fills this gap. Everybody then becomes a seller over here, right? Everybody starts shorting, and then Nifty continues to move, trapping everybody who would have sold over here for big targets on the downside, right? So again, we will also sell below 21,000. So the best thing how to sell would be, what will happen is that Nifty will go down below 21,000, basically this support, then it will try to come up, right? And once you are seeing that Nifty is not sustaining again above this support, that is when you can go ahead and take a short position once Nifty again tries to go down. What I'm trying to say is going to be, if I could make it for you guys, is going to be, let's say Nifty is over here, Nifty will try to come down below this support, and then it will again try to go above this support like this, right? But when it is again trying to come back down below this support, that is when we'll go ahead and take a short position over here, and not in this first down move, because chances are this, once the down move happens, maybe Nifty had again go up, take everyone's stop loss and then come down, right? Or maybe Nifty and go up and then continue to move up, right? So we'll not be in very much hurry. At least wait for a little bit of price action in at least 3-minute chart below this support, and only then go ahead and take a short position in Nifty, right? So yeah, below 21,000, basically below this support, we'll keep a small target of 21,920 first of all. Then maybe we could keep a big target if we see that Nifty is not holding high levels, maybe till 21,800, right? But yes, as for tomorrow, only 21,920 will be our target. Please do not keep big targets on the downside. On the upside, it's going to be very simple. If we open with a gap up, we can't really do anything in Nifty, right? Because Nifty is very weak. So even if you want to buy, you can think of buying if Nifty is taking support from 22,040 to 22,030 levels, right? Over here, if Nifty is taking support, making price action, you can think of taking a buying position. But it's like, um, you won't really get a very good momentum. You can keep a little bit of target till 22,080 or 22,120. Maybe Nifty might come over here, consolidate over here for some time, because breaking this level is also a little hard, right? You can't really expect it to break in one go, right? So maybe Nifty will consolidate a little bit, and then we will see where the market could go from there, right? So again, if we open in the very big gap up above this level itself, then we can actually think about taking a short position over here once we see that Nifty is not sustaining about 21,120, right? If Nifty is again coming below 21,120 and making negative price action, you can think about taking an 80 points of short position, a short position for 80 points till 22,040 to 22,030 levels. Because maybe chances are market might open with a gap up, it may see a sell off again, right? That can be a very sort of a typical scenario in places where, if you see, Nifty hasn't really given a pullback, right? A good pullback. So if we again open with a gap up, maybe Nifty might not sustain those high levels and come back down, because if you see, we've been continuing to move up very much, right? Which is just this small pullback. After that, we've been continuing to move up and not really, we haven't really taken any sort of a break over here, right? So again, if you open with a gap up, maybe Nifty might not really sustain. So if we are opening about 21,120, 22,120, and if we are making negative price action below 22,120, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short position till again 20,030 to 22,000 on the downside. That will be a target. Please do not keep very big targets. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.